Hey there, welcome to today's video. If we haven't met before, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam and I'm a blogger and online business owner at Greenily, your family only greener. And I started Greenily a few years ago as a way to share my family story of how we have I figured out how we can do our part to help protect the planet and live greener every day without stressing us out and making us crazy and making major changes, and basically ways to make it easy because it's important to us. So I share tips and tricks on how you can take what we've learned and help your busy family do the same. So welcome and welcome back to those who already have subscribed to my channel. So today I wanted to share some eco-friendly products that I have tried over the past month or so and let you know what I thought of them. If you've been here before, you have probably heard me say that I think one of the easiest ways to live greener is to swap out products that you currently use for ones that are more eco-friendly. And by that I mean a product that is reusable instead of disposable, for example, or maybe a product that has been sourced or created in a more sustainable way from a company that has the environment in mind as part of its mission and manufacturing process. So I think there's a bunch of different factors that can make a product more eco-friendly, or can help you live in a more eco-friendly way. So I'm going to share some of them with you that I have tried recently, and again, I think that's one of the easiest ways to live greener is to swap out some things that you normally do. My whole take on living greener is to take what you normally do, like the way your family normally lives, and just make some tweaks here and there that are greener so that your routine starts to be a little more green, your habits are a little greener, and as you make more and more of those changes, then you're living greener. So, okay, let's get started. Let's jump right into the products. Okay, so one product that I actually received as a gift for Christmas because I asked for it is this really cool AirPod case cover. And so I don't have my case in it right now, but it is from Pella, and it is the reason why I asked for it is because when you're done with it, you can compost it. So it's made from plants, it's compostable, and it also provides, drop impact protection for your AirPod case and for your AirPods. So it comes in this, packaging is really big for me. So if packaging is eco-friendly, that's a big plus for me. So the AirPod case came in all, cardboard packaging. There's no plastic in here whatsoever, and so this can all be recycled. So packaging, zero waste, which I absolutely love. I hope and hope and hope more companies move their packaging to recyclable, zero waste, no plastic. But anyway, so that's a plus, comes in this, and then it comes in all different colors. And I haven't put it on my case yet, like I said, but it is super cute and it is compostable when you're done with it. Now I have to test out how well it holds up, which I know they make phone cases too, so I assume it's going to hold up really well and that I'm going to hang on to it for a long time. But I guess when I'm done with it, it can be composted. So, okay, that I'm really loving so far. Another thing I got for Christmas, my family knows me so well, is this really cool from Circular & Co. Travel mug. And what's really cool about it, one, is that it's made from recycled cups, which is great. So it's not made from new plastic, which is kind of another thing I look out for, like what's the product made of, and if it's made from something recycled, I mean, to me, that's greener than like brand new plastic. So I'm excited to try this out. Apparently you can drink from anywhere around the top. So it's not just, kind of one little opening, but that you can drink from the whole thing. So it is 100% leak proof. Oh yeah, 360-degree drinking. That's what they call it. You can drink around the front. So it's dishwasher safe, which is pretty important to me, and it's 100% recyclable when you are done with it. But it does have a 10-year life, so I think I'm going to have this for a while before I need to recycle it. But loving this. Okay, this is a great idea, great gift. I didn't ask for it, but it's certainly a great gift for me. So, okay, so I also got, some of you may know that I I signed up for the Mighty Fix subscription service from Mighty Nest, and what that means is that every month I get a new product to try out. You know, you pay for it, it's not free, but I get a new product to try it every month. And you can either choose what product you want to try, or you can choose to have a surprise product sent to you. So I choose to be surprised. So yes, some of these are from that subscription service. Okay, so I got these a couple of months ago in one of my boxes. They're called food huggers. And so they're silicone, so they're not plastic, but they are meant to go over, you know, like half an onion or an avocado or maybe a jar, or some other sort of container that you need a lid for. So it came with, was that 5? 5 different sizes. And, you know, I have put one over a can of like a bubbly water. I put it over, and so it's not airtight. So it didn't quite work for that. And I did try to put it over, I think this one over an avocado, and this little lip is kind of hard to get over, something like that. And it's not an avocado shape, although they are kind of squishy, so you could. So I don't know if I didn't use like a big enough size, but these are still kind of, we're figuring these out still. So I really like the idea of having a reusable cover instead of needing to use like plastic wrap, which I don't actually even have. So it's nice to have another, you know, covering for food. So I'm still working on these, but these are the food huggers. Okay, so the jury's still out on those. Okay, let's see. Then I recently, in just one of my most recent Mighty Fix subscription boxes, which I did just try out because I couldn't stand it, was this all-purpose spaghetti scrub. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Okay, so this was total surprise, totally new to me. But what it is, it's a scrubber for pans and dishes and stuff like that. It's made from peach pit powder and 100% cotton fabric. Okay, so when I took it out, I was, what is a spaghetti scrubber? So I'll insert some video of me using it so you can see it in action. But I mean, it looks like this, which is totally weird. It feels a little bit rough, like sandpaper, but you'll see you can see in the footage how it sort of gets bunched up into a ball when it's wet, and then it's just like kind of like steel wool almost. And it worked really well on my cast iron pan that had like melted cheese in it or something. But I really liked it. I'm curious to see how long it lasts. Lasts for months, it says, so we will see. I thought this was really cool so far. It's, you know, a great option to like a plastic scrubber instead. So that is the all-purpose spaghetti scrub. So I'm so far really liking that. So that's a yes. Okay. Oh, this one I'm super excited about. This okay, so this again, first of all, the packaging on this, completely paper, no plastic at all. So this is a product from Humankind. I don't know if you've seen them online. I don't know if you can purchase this in the store. And I think actually all of these products, one thing I did buy in store, but I think everything else is only available online. I'll leave links to it below. I found a great company online. Well, first, Mighty Nest is great for eco-friendly products, but also Earth Hero is another great resource for eco-friendly products. So I'll leave links to places where you can get these items. I think most of them, except for one, are all, maybe 2 are all online. So, okay, so this is from Humankind, and it is mouthwash. Okay, how? Mouthwash is in a huge plastic bottle, right? No. Okay, so this is, it comes with this small little glass. It's not plastic. And then it comes with a little silicone container with a lid, and also with a small little packet, if I can get it out of the box. Okay, in this paper packet are all of these little tiny tabs of mouthwash. And so basically you drop it in the glass, you can see it in there, you fill up to the water line, you know, no more than there, let it dissolve, which happens really quickly, and there's your mouthwash. So I will say it's not as minty sweet as like the huge bottle of Listerine, but I mean, I think it tastes good. I do feel refreshed afterwards. My husband is a really big mouthwash user, so I'm trying to get him to switch over to this because, you know, he gets those humongous plastic bottles of Listerine. So we're going to try to switch to this, but the little tabs just get stored here, in the silicone container, and then it sits like this. It fits right in there and sits on your counter in your bathroom. But super cool. I love all these innovative products. Again, I love that the packaging, literally all paper, no plastic at all. Even the shipping container, which was this plastic, this paper sort of bag box thing. So loving that. I think that's super innovative. I love all these innovative products, things made from recycled cups, made from plants, no plastic in the packaging. I love it. So, okay, so this is the only item that I found in a store. And I really wish many of these things were available in stores, because I think they'd be much more mainstream and purchased a lot more often. I do have a video coming up about some eco-friendly finds and products that I recently found in Target. So they're out there. You gotta look for them. Okay, so this one I did find at Target, and it's called Patch. And what it is, they are bamboo Band-Aids. So Band-Aids are made from plastic, like your regular Band-Aids made from plastic. You use it, you take it off, you put it in the trash. So, but these are different because A, they're made from bamboo, B, they're in a paper recyclable container, which I guess most Band-Aids are in like a paper box. So that's different. So, let me show you one. So they're natural bamboo bandages, and you can recycle, not recycle, you can compost the Band-Aid after. So, and I guess this is paper, so I guess you can recycle this. So, but that's the Band-Aid. It looks just like a regular Band-Aid, works like a regular Band-Aid, and then when you're done with it, instead of putting it in the trash, you can compost it. Now, that means you have to put it into like a compost bin. So if you don't compost, it has to go into the trash. But we compost, we separate all of our compost out. We use a pickup service, actually. So we just separate everything that's compostable, and then it gets picked up once a week for us and gets taken away to be recycled. So, so I can put these in the compost bin, so I'm not creating any more landfill waste with these bandages. And they're not made of plastic, so they're not using any plastic. So I really try to stay away from plastic, even though, you can, I guess, sort recycling for plastic recycling to be recycled. I'm not exactly sure how much recycling is being done with plastic, so I just tend to stay away from it. So anyway, those are the Patch bamboo bandages. I found these at Target. So this is something you can go into, your normal store and purchase, which is awesome. Okay, two more things. Okay, so this is the other item that I found at Target too. And these are reusable Ziptop bags. This one in particular is made by Stasher, which is great. They have all different sizes. I have like a mini one that's sort of this big, a bigger one. I think they came in a pack of a couple different varying sizes, but it works literally just like a Ziploc bag, except it's reusable. You just wash it out, easy, set it out to dry. Great. I love these. I have a whole bunch of different sizes. This is a great alternative to Ziploc bags. So, and these I saw at Target. I've seen these in a bunch of different places. I think I may have gotten these at like Nordstrom Rack or something, which, I wouldn't think I'd find these there, but I think I got a really good deal on them. So, and I think I've seen them at like Home Goods, so you can get them for cheaper. Okay, so the last product isn't actually an eco-friendly product itself, but it helps you live more eco-friendly, more green by helping to reduce your food waste, okay? I don't know about you, but you make dinner or whatever meal, you have leftovers, put them in a container, and then you put them in the fridge, and then like a week later, you're like, oh, I forgot about that. And you've not eaten it, you've not opened it, and when you do open it, you can't eat it anymore because it's been in there for so long, so you gotta dump it in the trash. So this product, which I ordered on Amazon, has really helped us. So yes, we still have leftovers. Yes, we still put them in containers, but these are erasable food labels. Okay, so these are not eco-friendly. The packaging's not eco-friendly. There's nothing eco-friendly about them, but it comes with this a set of a whole bunch of stickers. They come in different sizes. I don't know if you can see that, and then you just write what is in. This is not a new idea. I'm sure lots of you do this, but this was a new behavior for us. So just write what's on it, the date probably, and then you put it in your refrigerator, and it has really helped us make sure we eat our leftovers. So we are creating a lot less food waste because we're actually remembering, because we can see what's in there. So when my kids open the fridge and say, what am I going to eat? I can say, oh, you can have the pasta from last night. You can have the pizza from the other night. It's really helping clear the leftovers out and wasting a lot less food. So that's helping us live more eco-friendly. And then it also comes with an eraser, so you can reuse these. So I basically just put them on all of our food storage containers, and then once we're done with whatever leftovers in there, I can erase what's on there, wash it, and reuse it for, reuse the labels. So that cuts down on food waste, helps cuts down on food waste. So those are the most recent products that I have been trying out. I love trying out new eco-friendly products because I love testing, A, to see if they work, B, to see if they really do, kind of fit as a substitute for something that we currently use that maybe isn't as eco-friendly. So I love trying them out. I love getting the Mighty Fix subscription every month to test something out, and so I will be sure to continue to share it with you, because again, I think swapping out a product that you currently use for a more eco-friendly version is a super simple way to go green. So it doesn't change your routine, it just changes kind of what you're using to make that routine happen. So anyway, I hope those seem super simple to you. Again, I will leave links to all of the products below. You can buy all of them online. Some of them you can buy in store too. So anyway, that is it for today. I hope that is helpful. Please, if you like these tips, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you back again to share some more tips. So hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you're notified of my upcoming videos when they're posted. That is it for today. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Take care.